Hi there, this is Sava from Klip Coupons. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the placement of your coupon on the product page. For example, if you wanted to move the coupon location from above the Add to Cart button to below it, or maybe you wanted to move it above the price, I'll show you how to make those updates. First thing you'll want to do is head over to the Shopify admin panel and click Online Store. Then you'll want to open up your theme by clicking Customize. In the top banner, head over to Products. And here is our Klip app that we had inserted. As we can see, this block is inserted above the Buy Now button. If, for example, we wanted to move it below, we can just go ahead and drag that below the Buy Now buttons. Or if we wanted to drag it, let's say, below the title of the product, we can go ahead and do that as well here and click Save. So then when we refresh the page, we can see now our updated coupon position. Again, we can move that below the Buy Now button if we wanted to do that. And there you go. That's how to update the position of a coupon on your product page.